Dober dan in dobrodošli na zaključni dan festivala FEK. Dan začenjamo z programom festivala v Lagu, Lago Film Fest, ki je letošnji festival v gosteh. Program bo predstavil direktor festivala Carlo Migotto, ki je bil tudi član naše mednarodne žirije. Zdaj Carlo bo predstavil program v angleščini, kolikor potrebuje nekdo prevod, pa mu ga zagotovimo. So I would like to welcome to stage Carlo Migotto, director of Lago Film Festival, to present the program we are going to see.
Hello, good morning, good evening. So we are from Lago Film Fest. It is a small international festival of independent cinema in Italy. Yesterday night we released in the international selection. Today we are going to screen a international selection that will represent the different souls of our festivals. And yeah, I would like to underline one of the film we are going to see that it's quite experimental, but it's made by Antonio Rezza. I invite you to discover him because it's a crazy genius, Italian theater and cinema actor and also director. And he won the Golden Lion at the Biennale of Theatre in Venice 2 years ago. So yeah, we are going to screen today quite strange and experimental project he made after he won the Golden Lion. And we are really happy to see in a big screen also another amazing project called Price, the Preti, made by another Italian not so well-known genius that is not an animator, but he made this satirical project against Catholic and Church and Christ, and it's really interesting. And yeah, and we are going to see other films that, as I told you before, represent our festival. And it's enough? It's okay for you?
Yeah.
Okay. So, of course, after the screening, if you have some questions, we are here. And we, of course, cordially invite you to visit our festival. I have to be honest, as I told yesterday night, it is the best festival in Italy. So, please come in Lago in July next year, 2021. And thank you very much for the invitation, of course.
Thank you, Carlo. Thank you also to Viviana being here. And I just wanted to add, Lago is like 3 hours drive with cars, so yeah, we can all be there next year, I think.
Yeah, next year we will host a special selection from FEK Festival, so you will find some Slovenian stuff also in Lago next year, so another reason to come. Thank you very much and enjoy the screening.
Thanks, Carlo.